When children go into nature, they are getting in touch with very old relationships that are, we could think of it as just being in our bones. Like this is stuff that our instincts were created through the long history of humanity to dovetail with. All of these different attributes of nature, which they don't get when they are playing with technology or when they're surrounded by concrete or sitting in an environment that doesn't move. When they go into nature, they find themselves moving eventually with enough training and patience and sitting still at the internal pace of their external environment. And that is when we start seeing amazing things happen around the consciousness of that child, where they are more in their body and they are also more in their wisdom. They're more intuitive, they're more relaxed. There's so many things that I see that come from taking a child and putting them in nature. One of the things that I do is I have kids catch lizards. So there's lots of lizards in this area. And when I first start out with these kids and I say, okay, go and catch a lizard, when they see one, 5 kids at once will go up very quickly and try to catch the lizard. And of course the lizard's like, I know this game. And the lizard will duck away and there's no success. And then eventually they slow themselves down and they develop cooperation so that one person is allowed to move forward to try to catch this lizard. And that person moves at a pace that is not going to create a disturbance within that lizard. We're not just catching lizards. What we're doing is we're developing patience, self-discipline, we're developing an awareness, we're developing a connection, an empathy between one organism and another. We're doing all of these things that will serve that child very well throughout their life, whatever they do. But the doorway is through nature. And in this case, we're catching lizards, but we're not just catching lizards.